Hey, what's going on, guys? We are back. We're going to do another kayaking and magnet fishing video. We're here at the Kentucky Dam Village. You've seen us here before, off magnet fishing off the dock and near the boat ramp over here. But we're going to jump out in the kayaks and see what more places we can reach and if there's more stuff we can find.
Yeah, it's been a very busy boating last 2 weeks. Like, people have been really out here boating and kind of playing around. So we feel like there's definitely a high potential to find some really good stuff out here. But we're going to try to tackle with the kayaks this time around and see what we can find. But we'll catch you out in the water, guys. Alright, guys, we are out on the water. We are heading over here to this dock that we've magnet fished before, but we've never done it from the actual kayak, so this is be a little different. Hopefully we can cover a little more area and find some more stuff. Alright, guys, you have to go to Centurion. We're going to go down and see what we can find. After I'm pulling, I feel like I got something. Hold on. It might be a cable. Oh, no. I had a old rusty piece of metal. Old rusty piece of metal. Rocks. Got something. Another piece of metal similar to the other one. Right now I'm tackling this boat ramp. People always say the boat ramps are good for magnet fishing, but every boat ramp we've ever magnet fished around, I've never found anything. Oh my. Boat, another boat, wire, and an old battery. It's like an old piece off a boat trailer. Oh boy, I pulled up piece of metal. Looks like one of those, maybe an old fishing pole. Maybe. Huh? I feel it. Hey!
Wire cutters?
But, yeah, like boat cutters, wire cutters. Not a bad shape either. Yeah, look at that. Some like wire boat cutters there. That's pretty cool. Wire cutters. That's pretty neat. Cool find. A jigsaw blade. Interesting. And a nail. Old bracket. What's going on, guys? We just finished up magnet fishing out here by the marina. We found quite a bit of stuff. It was awesome being out there in the kayaks because you can cover so much more area. But yeah, we found a lot of scrap metal. Jordan found a giant pipe. I found some wire cutters. That was pretty cool. And we just found some other odds and ends stuff. But we have a crap ton more area to cover out here.
Yes.
So we'll definitely be back, but that's all the time we have for today. If you're liking our videos, guys, make sure to drop a thumbs up on this video. Make sure you comment if you have any thoughts or if you're liking the videos. And of course, as always, make sure you are subscribed. But till next time, guys,
Keep it real.
Keep it real.